Alright, you guys ready to see Arizona car meet? So this one we came to last weekend, and it was really cool. Looks like there's a decent amount of stuff this time too. Hopefully there'll be some different stuff than last time, but you guys didn't see any of it, so if it is, it doesn't matter. This way. What do we get? What do we get? Oh! Look at that, nice Gallardo. I don't even know how you say it, but that's sick. That's honestly like my dream Lambo right there. Yeah, that or Huracan are my favorites. Oh, no way! This is my first time seeing a new GR86. That's sick. We gotta go look at that. I haven't seen one yet. I wonder if we should just go down here, honestly. Yeah. Might just do that. Yeah, I think this is bigger than last time, honestly. There's a lot of people. Well, I want to park next to something cool, or like kind of an empty space, so then when Wally and Hunter get here, yeah. Ooh, I'd park next to that Supra on TEs. Might as well. Oh, an ACR Viper. I've never seen one of those in person either. I want to park next to that Supra. Yeah, this is the fun part, trying to find places to park. Like this thing, like this show actually gets crazy. I think this should be the next whip. We gotta go find that 86 though. I haven't seen one yet. Alright, let's show you guys what Arizona car meet looks like. But yeah, we got clean Mark 5 TEs.
Which one's your device?
It's the SPO whatever. Yeah, this is. Oh, look at my cameras on here. I don't know what I would connect my camera to. Change the colors of my camera. That'd be pretty sick. Yeah, look at how many. Because there's so many cars here, so they all got Bluetooth shit. Patty, you need to step up your game with the low glow. It's not wanting to cooperate right now. Just kidding, it's fine. There we go. Alright. Now we're on the red, we're good. Alright. Go walk around now and see what kind of stuff we got. I will tell you guys right now, there's also some weird stuff. Like, we'll see. How you doing, baby?
Pretty good. I think it's got a good show.
Yeah.
The color of the...
Oh, this guy was here. This Mark 5 was here last week.
No, look at the color of the beamer.
Huh? That had a cool color. Yeah, let's go look at that NSX. Look at that. That's a dream. That's a dream right there. I might actually follow that dude on Instagram. I'm not sure. This is clean. Pretty sick old Ferrari. It was a joke. It was a joke, guys. Alright, this is what I was talking about last week. The clip from the first Fast and Furious. Brian O'Connor. Yeah, it's sick. Yeah, I was freaking out about that last week. It's so well done. Like, it's obviously a replica, but it's really well done. Alright, let's see what we got going on. We're gonna actually go on TikTok Live too, because I've done it like once.
That red color. Babe, look at that red color.
That's cool. I love tan.
He scrapes so much.
Oh yeah.
What thing?
Lazy car show. Done. Let's go live. How do you flip the camera? Live now. Yeah, that's sick. Let's go look at Gardo. Oh, I love these. I love these.
It's got stock wheels.
Yeah, I know.
So does this one.
Yeah, and this one.
Dang.
A lot of them got stock wheels. But I love this ducktail though. This one's actually real, unlike mine. Nice little spoolie boy. Look at that. That's clean. That's clean setup. 86 boys. I've met this dude. This guy's actually, he's built. I think he's at like 400 wheel. This one's sick. I don't know where the dude's at, but this one's a sleeper for sure. I mean, because like just looking at it like right here, you can't tell, but there's a fatty intercooler back there. But this thing's sick. I need these VLANs for sure though. Oh, I got another boosted one. Sheesh.
Is that like chalk?
Probably.
Or is that just
that's awesome. Oh, R32. This is very clean. Right hand drive. That is. Oh. It's a dream. It's a dream. 100%. R35s. Oh. Now that.
Oh my god.
Now that. Me like it. Me like it. That is very clean. God. That is so clean. I know. That is so clean. That is awesome. This is 100% the dream right here.
Yeah.
Big Wang Miata. He's gonna get scraped? Nope, he's good, he's good. I love that. 570. That's mad clean. I love that. 10. Oh, people are getting rowdy now. There go the car alarms. That's a wrap. I think that is. That looks satin. That looks satin. That's a sick taco. I would love a taco for a daily. That thing is that has got a BMW badge on it. I think that's a 326 power wing. I spot possibly. Little turbo action on that.
We were looking at that.
That's badass.
You wanted a graffiti one.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that.
Not sure how I feel about it being.
It's like, yeah.
But
Okay, that's definitely not stock motor. I think that's a V8. And that mystery. Sounds nuts. Oh, here's the one JZWX I was talking about. Yeah. Mad clean. Look at that. It's a clean.
I like the satin.
I like that.
Is that satin?
Hey, he's got Montana plates. Probably just registered there because he doesn't want to pass emissions, which I don't blame him. That's why I'm probably not going to get my car registered here because I would not pass emissions. Our boy Sammy's whip. Yeah, we can never find him. We can always find his car, but we can never find him. I love this though. Okay, got another wide body boy, but look at that. Just an F8. That is just. Ugh.
What license plate?
Yeah, sure, they're 86, but.
I know. It's not the license. $1?
My fucking starter went out.
Here's
bro.
my boy.
My starter went out.
Really?
Oh yeah, these like
Is she-
7 guys just pushed me to
Oh.
start it.
See, that's pretty sick. That's some big wheels on that. You can tell, like okay, I'm gonna call myself out. My ducktail's fake, and you can tell because like real carbon's like super shiny and glossy. I mean, I'm sure you can probably make fake stuff look pretty real too, but mine does not look real whatsoever.
I'm vlogging. Wow. Lights. Oh.
He's my new cameraman.
Low glow. Totally not sponsored.
No. What is this?
Dude, my car is so dirty right now.
I can't be wrong.
I have the dirtiest car here, and I'm very proud of it.
Dusty, bro.
I'll park across from you, because I look better than you. I think I look.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Let's
I'm
get
gonna
it.
hit so many people.
Double vlogging. Never seen a wide body new Miata yet. It's clean.
Yeah, dude.
Look at those thickos back there.
Not a Mini Cooper, Bronco, or S2000.
Okay, Mini Cooper ain't it. That's
Whatever. Every time we see one of them, you're like,
buddy.
You kirk your
So,
wheel the first day
And
you
a
have
Hot Wheels before. That's sick.
Yeah.
I think I had Mark 5. Wally's searching, guys. So if you know anyone, hit him
Oh,
up.
anybody, please.
Oh, I've never seen a license plate that glows. That's sick. That is dope. Well, guys, I started coughing and everybody left because they thought I had COVID, so it's just over now. But no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't know why everybody's left. There's still a bunch over there, but me and Wally going strong. But I think that's probably about everything cool here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.